Welcome back to another video. Tonight we are with Mom, I should say. We are watching the fireworks for the 2026 4th of July. The 2026 4th of July. Nothing's happening, guys. That might have been just a coincidence. What time is it now? 9:59. Perfect timing on recording. It was supposed to premiere. As you guys can see, I got all my 4th of July stuff. I got all my 4th of July and my 4th of July necklace. Oh, what's that smell?
That's cigarette. It's cigarette smoke. So that is bug spray.
Huh?
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
I was gonna say, I bet she just went to the park.
She just what?
I said, I bet she just went to the park.
What park? Get down, everybody! Oh, guys!
They're singing the Star Spangled Banner.
Where? At the park? Why does that hurt?
Hmm?
This hurts.
Hurts?
Yeah, this part. It's not starting. Oh, God! Guys, there it is. There it is, guys. Oh, my gosh. The fireworks are lighting up the sky. Oh! If you have headphones, I'm really sorry about. If you have headphones on right now. This video is gonna be premiered at 12 a.m. This is the best part about 4th of July. Just seeing the fireworks. That was insane. Oh my gosh. What an insane game. This is kind of insane. I love 4th. I'm still recording. Whoa! My gosh, bro. So much light. Mom, so much light. Come on, do it again. I don't think they can see you. They can't see. You don't want your face being on the internet. I don't think they saw you. What was that? That kind of looks like a you. Well, that looks so cool. Guys, that looks so cool. Ooh, that was insane, guys. Oh my gosh.
This is surprised.
Bradley and Dad are missing the party right now. It sounds like just like missiles firing in the sky. It kind of is like missiles flying in the sky. U.S. bomber planes. Mom, look at the thing on the tablet. Look at it on the tablet.
You can't even like see it that way.
You can. My recording sucks. Oh,
Don't say that.
my recording sucks. Guys, I'm gonna lay down real quick. Sorry about the inconvenience. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good.
That's a good one.
It's huge.
Ooh, I like that one.
My favorite is the big red and blue one that we just had. Like 1 minute, like 30 seconds ago. Thunderstorm. That's last year. Me and Mom went last year to see the fireworks. We sat on somebody's lawn. Right, Mom? It was kind of insane. I'm gonna take a quick break. Mom, look. Mom, look. Yeah, look what happened. Look what's happening. Okay, guys, back to the fireworks. Oh, I missed that one. Guys, what is happening?
I like those.
That's my favorite one so far. No, that's my favorite one so far.
Those were really cool.
Did I catch that on camera, guys? I don't think I caught that. If you have headphones, just turn down the volume of the headphones. Turn it down to like
recording this round.
I'm still recording. I can kind of see the fireworks. I'm just getting tired of holding the camera. This is how it is being a one-person YouTube channel. One day, watch me hit 1 million subscribers.
Not even recording. You should turn it
Red, white, and blue. Still kind of recording. I'm still recording it. Yeah, what happened? like purple. Those are the big ones.
Taste that.
Wait, is there a finale?
There will be.
What do you think they're gonna do for the finale this year? Guys, turn your headphones down. I don't want anybody to be deaf in this video. That was a big one. Okay, guys, that's the end of part 1. See you in part 2.